Good morning, party people, especially those of you in the Portland area. I am still in the area. I have not left, not planning on going anywhere until I connect with everybody that we've already communicated with about having some kind of connection. So I pulled a dash yesterday, replaced the evaporator, going to finish up that job today, and then start connecting with a few other people. So stay tuned. Hope to get with you soon. In today's video, I got some clips from a meet and greet we had at IKEA a few days ago. Had several people show up, bring their Volvos, and Saab came, and a few other people just seen us out there, stopped by. Had a great time, man. We started around 10 o'clock, knocked that off around 2. So, you know, just had a good time meeting with some other Volvo folks and folks that have seen some of the videos in the past. So that was a great experience, being able to connect with people. So anyway, I got several people to still connect with around the Portland area. If we have not connected and you are in the Portland area or within an hour's drive of Portland, Oregon, contact me so that we can connect, help you with anything you need help with, answer questions, help you troubleshoot, all that kind of stuff. So I'll be here definitely through Friday, maybe even longer. We'll see if I can, you know, help some of these folks get some of this stuff done. So that's where I'm at. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert. That's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you could click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Oh, folks, here we go. Didn't realize it was over here, but I see some Volvos. Whoop, whoop. IKEA Volvos. Here it is, folks. Do you have like something that you call it, like Frankenstein 240 or like what? What do you call it? Does it have a name? Okay. Turbo. Mm-hmm. Timing belt covers no longer necessary.
It's not interference, isn't it, man?
Yeah, that's right. He's got a quick spray. What's this supposed to say? I can't read that.
What are those?
What are those? Okay. Empty. Man. Woo-wee. This guy likes riding on the edge. Custom exhaust. A little bit of extra piping, 10 feet. He's got the reverse wheelie bar. Nice piece here. Got the 850 rear wing and the basket up top. Pretty sweet. 245 here with some BMW wheels on it. 4-speed. Man, I like this brownish gold metallic. Nice 244 here. Non-interference engine. IPD cam. Some nice big wheels. I think those wheels come off a 740 or something. I can't remember. A coupe here. The round headlights. Woo woo. Saffron. Coupe. Get them wheels on that thing. Woo. S70 T5. Came down from Washington. looks like a 945. Maybe 745. Let me check it out. Man, this thing looks pretty clean. Pretty clean. Love those wheels. Yep, 940. And then we got a V70. Some nice wheels, roof racks. 245 people. Got them 960 wheels on there. The roof carrier. 8-ball 4 on the floor. Got the Tesla this heads-up display. And look at that turbo. Pushing a little bit of boost here, baby.
Yeah, the light bar's handy.
Got that saffron touch and that chirper. Nice.
Yeah, it's even got underglow lights on it.
And it's got a security system. Extra friendly security system. How you doing, girl? Yeah. Good girl. Oh, dang. I'm missing the races. Check that out right across the street from the hotel. They getting with it, boys. Getting with it. We actually got friendly roosters and chickens. Look at it. We are trying to diagnose the issues with this Volvo V70 Cross Country 99 model. The lights are flickering. I think primarily because we're misfiring here. We got an SRS light and a service light. Those are the only lights we got. The battery was dead, so we don't have a check engine. Usually you can unplug an injector and figure out which cylinders are misfiring. So we unplug one and nothing changes, which means cylinder 1 is likely misfiring. We unplug 3, nothing changes, which means number 3 is probably misfiring. We unplug 5, nothing changes, which means number 5 is probably misfiring. Which is super confusing, because that means this car may be running on 2 cylinders. Now it's trying to run on 1. So if I unplug that, it should definitely die. So we know it's running on at least another cylinder somewhere, because we got 2 of them unplugged. What we can do is unplug 1, unplug 2. Oh, there it died. That may be it. It may be running on 2 cylinders. So we're going to do a compression test next.
Look off, so I don't think it's a bad control arm button.
This one doesn't seem to be touching. So this one, I don't know if it has the nut under there or not. It's hard to see. Yeah, I don't see it under there.
I don't see anything.
So I would pull that bolt off, make sure they have the T-nuts under there. I can send you a picture of them, but you could get them IPD or salvage yard or something like that. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.